Your Lordship, today our senior counsel, Sri Milan Mukherjee.
Now, how can he be your senior counsel? He is the amicus curiae appointed by the.
No, he is regarded by all as senior counsel, Your Lordship.
No, that can be, but he's not representing you,
No,
madam.
no.
He's not representing any of the parties.
Yes, Your
He
Lordship.
has been asked to assist the court along with the other
Yes, Your Lordship.
learned advocates. So they are not representing either
Any of
the
the parties.
I'm caring for the Union of India, madam. Can I take the time?
Where is Mr.
Led by Mr. Majumdar. He's not there.
Yes,
Lordship, you asked me to file an affidavit with regard to the pendency of the appeal before the Honorable Division Court of the Honorable Chief Justice. Affidavit is there with Mr. Orkodev Nag. He is there. He will hand over the copy of the affidavit duly accompanied by me, stating that appeal is pending before the Honorable Division Bench, and
no, have you obtained a stay?
No,
still it has not been heard, Lordship.
Sir, what is the stage of investigation? I believe there was no order of stay on the investigation, sir. So what is the stage of investigation?
No, it is continuing. Investigation is still continuing.
So I think it has exceeded the time period.
Yes.
No.
More than April, May, June, July, September.
672, no.
Okay.
7 months have expired, Your Lordship. 7 months have passed.
So you just look into it, the stage of investigation and all.
I can file a report, but I will not file a report. My learned friend appearing for the state will file the report. I have appearing as a public prosecutor, Your Lordship, and Your Lordship's order.
Yes, sir. On that date.
Why I had directed CBI investigation?
Yes, sir.
My lord, by the time I had chosen to make a request to the ADG CID to take over the investigation, by that time allegations had been made against our present Chief Justice, my Lord Justice Tirthankar Ghosh. I am also now in the line.
Lordship, there was
That
no
scenario when everybody had allegations against each other with regard to the Chatterjee Hat police station, I thought it prudent that the investigation should go to the CBI. Nobody will have
CID.
CID, sorry. No.
So you mean to say that you had sought for CID investigation for an impartial and
because there were
investigation,
by
there
that
were
time,
allegations,
counter allegations, even the honorable judges of this court were not let off.
Lordship, this is absolutely false submission by the learned PP. There was no submission against any of the honorable judges. If we can show, he should file affidavit with regard to that. We have complained against the judges.
See your affidavit before the Supreme Court, then come back.
Okay,
We
now
have
what is the supplementary affidavit filed for, sir?
Lordship, the supplementary affidavit was filed as per your Lordship's direction that I have to inform before you that appeal is pending. I have filed an appeal that was to be affirmed. That's why I have filed the affidavit as per your direction. You had directed me.
Milord, no copy has been served.
Have you served the others a copy, or the other respondents a copy of the?
Mr. Nag is there. Kindly serve the copy of the other side.
Okay. So I'll fix a date, sir, so that they can bring an order of stay, or else we'll proceed with it. Okay. Yes.
Your Lordship, since
because sir, neither Mr. Senior Advocate Mr. Milan Mukherjee, neither you, sir, nor madam, you are not assisting either of the parties. You are here to assist the court.
My lord, we are officers of court. So
You are the officers of the court. You have been appointed as the amicus curiae to assist the court. You are not representing any other parties to neither the state, nor the Union of India, nor the petitioner, or not the private party. Yes, sir. So,
Lordship,
they have filed this supplementary affidavit. Since I had asked them, because verbally they said that they have filed an appeal against that order passed by this court on the earlier date, appointing the learned senior advocate along with Ms. Shanyal and Mr. Mitter to assist the court. They have sought for an appeal. So they have filed an affidavit to that effect. Right, sir? Though there is no stay, we can proceed with the hearing, but I'll give them an opportunity to get an order of stay, and I'll fix a next date. And on that date, if they can furnish any order, we'll act accordingly. Okay, sir? Perfect.
Your Lordship, Sri Milan Mukherjee informed me that they have filed one complaint against him as well. Today he met me. Yes, Your Lordship. That is what I was trying to say. It is very unfortunate, and by the time the Honorable Chief Justice would hear this matter, she will do another few complaints before different authorities, Your Lordship, since no stay has been granted in this appeal, and she has been taken.
Absolutely false. Then she should file affidavit with regard to that. We have
Lordship,
filed complaint. Everything is false.
The senior
We
counsel
are
was
filing
before
affidavit.
Your
Let them
Lordship,
file affidavit.
and he was willing to come again just to inform the court that they have filed frivolous complaints
Where?
before the Honorable Chief Justice as well as before the Bar Council or somewhere else. I do not know, Your Lordship. Yes,
Before Bar
Complaint
Council,
again?
no complaint. Before Chief Justice, nothing. Lordship.
they are
He's
We
saying
have
the
not
petitioner
complained
number
anything.
one is
We
saying
just
that they
referred
did.
appeal.
today only during the lunch
If the
hour
appeal is
he
complained,
made.
Lordship, then how-
Anyways,
why-
madam,
Your
since
Lordship.
we do not have any document to that effect,
But
let it be.
Is she the mouthpiece of amicus curiae,
Your
Mr. Milan
Lordship,
Mukherjee? Private respondent is the mouthpiece of Mr. Milan Mukherjee. This is absolutely biased, Lordship. Grave violation of principle of natural justice. That is the reason
Okay.
we
and
cannot
Your
represent
Lordship,
before this.
they are taking long dates in this case before the Honorable CJM on the ground that protection has been given to them by the
Madam,
Honorable.
what did I
We
tell you?
have not
I'll
taken
fix up
any
a
date,
date.
Lordship.
That date, if they appear, they get an order from the Honorable Division Bench, we'll see to it. Otherwise, we'll dispose of it.
Yes, Your Lordship. If
They
they
will
Lordship,
dispose
just
of
one
it.
submission.
yes, Your Lordship. If they
Let me
fail to
submit just 2 lines, Lordship.
bring, because I have to mention it again before the Honorable Chief Justice, they will keep it
Another one
in
thing,
this way.
Yes.
if your lordship is happy with the explanation why I had given the CBI, your lordship will kindly record that. Then I will
Lordship, in that context,
Sir,
I want to make a submission.
let it on
Sir,
put it for the
I
state.
would like to ask you, since you are not a party here, I mean, you are not representing the state in this
The-
matter,
the learned
since
informant-
there was an explanation sought from you, so if you can file a reply in the form of a report. Okay, sir.
Make a submission, Lordship.
It's,
The thing,
Mr. Roy says that he had sought for CID investigation since there were series of complaints against him and other honorable judges, and so for that, to ensure there will be an impartial investigation to satisfy them. Yes, sir? To satisfy them.
Date the petitioner before your lordship is not appearing before the investigating officer. We cannot record a statement in spite of giving several notices. That's why the investigation cannot be also.
Lordship, we have challenged the CID investigation, Lordship. The CID has taken up
Sir,
investigation
you
by
can
order
file a
of Mr.
report
Milan.
also stating the
Lordship.
present status as to why you sought for the CID investigation and the
also the
conduct
status.
of the
As also the
petitioner and everything.
Your Lordship, we have two
Lordship, just
criminal
one thing. I am not being able
applications
to
pending
submit,
before
Lordship.
Honorable
Can
Justice
I ask?
Tirthankar Ghosh. In both the applications, they have referred this particular writ
Lordship, let the matter heard by
that
Honorable
unless
Justice
this is
Tirthankar Ghosh.
disposed of,
He is
that
the best authority that he will decide that
Uh,
whether he asks for CID investigation. Let the matter be placed before Honorable
a
Justice
different
Tirthankar
issue.
Ghosh.
Your
He
Lordship,
is the best
Whatever
authority
order
to
is
advocate
passed,
into the matter.
you can
Because Learned TV is saying that
yes, that
before
that-
Justice Tirthankar Ghosh something happened, let the matter be placed before him.
petitioner
Let the matter be placed before
number
Honorable Justice
one.
Tirthankar Ghosh, Lordship.
appeared online.
Everyone is coming and submitting that before Honorable Justice something happened. Then why the matter will not be heard
Learned
by Justice
advocate,
Ghosh?
what is
He is the highest adjudicating authority.
অর্কদেব নাগ অর্কদেব নাগ
কপি
Orkodev Nag.
নামটা বলুন।
নাম তো বললাম অর্কদেব নাগ
আছে পরে এখন পরে বলছি
Orkodev Nag.
হ্যাঁ,
NAG.
ওটা দিয়ে
In open court, inter alia stating being aggrieved by the order dated 17/9/2024, passed by this court in WPA 15260 of 2024. An appeal has been preferred before the Honorable Division Bench of this court, presided over by the Honorable Chief Justice,
আপনি দিয়েছিলেন না
being
Exam
MAT
for
2051 of 2024 on 6th of November 2024. Full stop. However, the petitioners did not file any order of stay of the instant writ petition granted by the aforesaid division bench. Full stop. The petitioners are granted 4 weeks time to furnish before this court an order of the division bench for further proceedings.
Your Lordship, then Christmas vacation will be there, Your Lordship.
The learned advocate,
অ্যাপ্লিকেশন ফর এডিশন অফ
Mr. the learned PP লিখুন advocate. Which was that date when? So do you remember the date of the order where I asked? Yes. Appeared before this court today in compliance with the order dated 3/9/2024, whereby the court sought for an explanation as to what prompted him to submit before the coordinate bench that the investigation of the instant Chatterjee Hut police
Yes.
station,
Yes.
case
It-
number
86 of 2024, 78 of 2023, and 23 of 2024. 3 cases are there, Your Lordship.
were to be conducted by the CID West Bengal. The learned public prosecutor, Mr. Devashish Rai, submitted that there were several complaints and allegations against the honorable judges of this court, the learned public prosecutor himself.
So that time I was not at the firing line. I have been added subsequently.
Okay, then only the honorable judges, two honorable judges,
And the Chatterjee Hut police station.
and
The Chatterjee Hut police station.
the officials of the Chatterjee Hut police station. And to ensure the investigation to be carried out by an agency not comprising the said officials of the Chatterjee Hut police station. The investigation was asked to be conducted by the CID West Bengal. The learned public prosecutor is to file a report to that effect, along with the status of the investigation concerning the aforesaid police station cases on the next date of hearing. Next date be fixed on 18th of December. All of you enter your appearances.
Reply to the opposition filed by the private respondent.
Sorry?
Can I be granted liberty to file reply to the opposition filed by the private respondent?
Did you file any opposition?
Yes, Your Lordship, on the last to last date, I had filed one opposition to the supplementary affidavit they had submitted.
But sir, now
It's
you have
too late. Yes, Your Lordship. it is-
filed an appeal. Just see what happens
Lordship,
there.
one more thing. Lordship, one more thing. I have got a chance to place before you because I was muted. Just now, host unmuted me. I was making a submission that Lanet PP and Ms. Malavika Sahab, the private respondent, was submitting before you that before Justice Ghosh, we have submitted these, we have submitted those. So they have told that they have submitted before the just Honorable Justice Ghosh.
Sir,
that
why don't you
they want-
appear before the court and then submit?
Lordship, one more thing. I am just
Sir, on
telling
the
before your
next
Lordship-
date, you please appear before the court. So
will
this
appear, Lordship, but
question on this issue of you getting muted, etc., will not arise. Okay?
But Lordship, one
So on the
line just-
next date, you will please be present
Justice-
before the court.
I was asking before your Lordship, praying that let the matter be heard by Justice Ghosh and your Lordship, because Justice Ghosh is the adjudicating authority. Then everyone is submitting that something has happened before Justice Ghosh.
Sir,
How can your Lordship will decide that?
Assignment.
That is my question.
Sir, let us not get into all these things because the Honorable Chief Justice is the master of the roster. So nobody
Lordship.
can define or his orders that way. Okay? So let's not get into this. On the next date, please appear before the court so that this technical glitches that you are addressing will not be there. Okay?
Yes, Lordship.
Next,
Date fixed, Lordship.
18th of December.
Lordship.
By that time, you have to get an order from the division bench of stay of this writ petition, or else we'll hear it out, sir. Okay?
Yes, Lordship. Okay, Lordship. Yes.